Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. Today, it's time to pick up a new car. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications, as I'll be posting more content. But today, it's time to head into Acura. You know what we're getting? Come on, let's go. Present to you the new car Pat's Garage Online, the Acura NSX. So what do you think? Make a good decision or what? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so it's really dark in here. It's nighttime. It's 8 p.m. It took a while to get down here to Northern Virginia to pick this car up, but big thanks to Pohanka Acura down here in Chantilly, because they did an awesome job, a phenomenal job of taking care of me. So big thanks to John, to Alex, to Courtney, everybody involved that was able to get me into this NSX. Now as I'm driving this, it's actually raining and it's about 45 degrees. So it feels really weird being in a supercar and driving in these conditions. So my decision was to go the back way home. And the back way home means that I'm not going to be on the interstates. I am going to be on mainly 2-lane roads with very little traffic. And that means that I can drive, take my time, and sort of get used to this car, especially with it being raining like it is. Now, one thing about this car, it has tinted glass, and I don't really do well at night when it comes to driving with tinted glass. So one of the first things I'm going to have to do when I get home is I'm going to have to take the tint off. And I know a lot of people think that's crazy, and I shouldn't be doing that, but I'm going to have to remove the tint in order to get it inspected for Maryland, number one. But number two, I just can see better. I'm 46 years old and these eyes just don't see as well as they used to. So I'm currently driving the car in just a normal mode. I just put it in drive and went. And I'm letting the car decide when to shift and exactly how to handle the road conditions so that I don't have to mess with it. Not right now, at least. Because I definitely want to give this car an opportunity to just drive normally without any intervention from me at all, just to see how it's going to be on a road trip, because I have an hour and a half drive home. Alright folks, got it home, dried it off. I drove all the way home in the rain. It was terrifying because not driving this car over a distance in the dark, in the rain, with lots of power. Yeah, it's not like the i8 where this car you just put your hand at the bottom of the wheel and go on a straight road. No, this car you have to drive. And what I mean by that is you put your hand at the bottom of the wheel and you're trucking along and the car's moving. These wide tires are following the paths in the road and they're moving around. You have to drive this car. It's definitely I've never driven a race car, but it feels race car to me. I don't know how else to describe it. It's scary. I do need to get used to the car. But yeah, first time in the rain, at night, really low to the ground. It's a little foggy. Yeah, definitely not the most comfortable experience. So let me give you a walk around here real quick. So this is the 2017 Acura NSX in Curva Red. And this reminds me of the Corvette that I had years ago, the C5 Corvette, which was torch red. And yeah, I was just drawn to it. So I did negotiate down on this car because there are blemishes in this car that I can take care of, that I can fix. And I want to make sure that I incorporated that into my negotiation, and I was able to get a very good price on the car. So I believe at this point, it is a used car. It's got nearly 20,000 miles. There are some blemishes. It's supposed to have them. I mean, this has them. But yeah, it's definitely going to be a good project for me. So I have a few ideas, and of course I don't know what I'm going to stick to for right now, but I know I need to do a paint correction on the car. There's just every now and then you'll catch in the light, you know, a few scratches here and there. I mean, it's normal for a used car. But all the carbon pieces are good, both in the front and the back. And we also have new rubber here in the back because the tires were getting close to wearing out. So they did CPO the car. So the car has an additional 2 years of warranty over top of the factory warranty, which this is still in factory warranty, I believe, for another 5 or 7 months or something. So I get 2 more years on top of that, up to 100,000 miles. So this is going to be a great car to take to rallies, to take to shows. But a few things I gotta change up real quick. I can't see my engine because of course it's tinted, and so also are the side windows. Now in order to pass Maryland inspection, I have to take the tint off of these windows. So the tint's got to go. A lot of people like tint, but it is what it is. We got to take the tint off of there. So we're definitely going to take the tint off of here so we can see the engine, because I think it's important to be able to see it. So let's pop the trunk right now. We'll take a closer look at that. All right, we got water dripping everywhere because, of course, you know, like I said, I was driving in the rain. So one of the other options that I've seen out there so far are longer props here, the hood struts, so that you can get this up higher so that you can work on your mid-engine, which is what I'd like to do. So this is the carbon fiber engine cover that's on here, and it is in great shape. Don't know what else I can say about it, but it is what it is. We do have some trunk space back here. There's no space like in the i8 back behind the rear seat, so that's one plus on this. I think I can actually fit more things into that car and drive longer distances for more comfort. This feels more like a luxury car than this. So this is just a first look. I'm definitely going to go ahead and do more of an in-depth review on this car and a comparison with the BMW i8. But I want to at least introduce you to this vehicle because I thought, you know, maybe the channel actually would like it. So I want to say thanks to you, the viewers, because you responded to my last video where I was interested in getting a different car. And a lot of you said, yes, definitely do the NSX and definitely don't get rid of the i8. So the i8 is still here. The NSX is here. We got proper supercar now. So we're going to have some great content coming to the channel. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna call it a night. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. I'll be posting more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy motoring.